Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can Dokkan awaken unit. So this video is for you who beginner or new to this game. So what you need to do is make sure you have a unit, of course. For example, you got it from free or you got it from gacha or summon. So I give you an example. If you got this unit, for example, I've got this from World Tournament event. So tap growth. As you can see, this guy is not yet Dokkan awaken, but just Z awaken. So what you need or the requirement, just an ordinary medals like this. You can get this from Baba shop or treasure shop, but what I want to show you is a Dokkan awaken. For example, this unit that I've got Krillin. Before the Trunks is only Z awaken, but this Krillin can Dokkan awakening like this. But before Dokkan awaken, you have to go to Z awaken first, like require medals, the ordinary one, and go to this Dokkan awaken of Krillin that you have to this medal. You have to collect the medals from this event. Character specific medal required for awakening from this event. Just click or tap the event. Challenge yourself of this on that event and get the medals. As you can see, I already got enough medal to Dokkan awaken this Krillin. So Dokkan awaken, it means your character get a maximum super attack until level 10, of course, and maximum level until 120. So please free to try Dokkan awaken as many as you can your unit to make your team stronger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.